On the previous video, I showed you how to connect your Facebook pixels to your GoHighLevel account. On this video, I'm going to share two things. Number one, I'm going to share with you why do we need Facebook pixels. Second thing, I'm going to show you how to get a Meta Pixel Helper to install in your Chrome browser. If you're ready, let's begin. I'm going to explain to you why do we need Facebook pixels. So Facebook pixel mainly is communication. I'll say communication between Facebook and your website. So that's the main idea there. So this is like a communication line connecting your Facebook ads and your website. This is one thing that I want you to remember. So Facebook Pixel is the reason why your Facebook and your website is connected. So they are communicating, they are sharing data. So when you say data, it's talking about the number of visitors and activities. So your website have a website visitors, and also your visitors have some activities. Either they're viewing your website, they're clicking, they're downloading, they're booking appointment. Now with Facebook Pixels, this data is sent to Facebook. So now Facebook understand who are your website visitors, and those people that visit your website, Facebook have idea what are their activities. Are they there to visit your website? They are there to, to book an appointment. And this is one of the advantage of Facebook Pixel. Since Facebook now have idea who are the people visit your website, what are their activities, now you can retarget them. Since Facebook are well informed what is happening to your website because of the Facebook pixels that we connected, now what we can do now is to retarget. Retarget means we're going to show an advertisement or Facebook paid ads to those people that visited your website. And there's two advantage of installing Facebook pixels in terms of paid ads. So if we're talking about paid ads on Facebook, we can do two things. Retarget means we're going to retarget all the website visitors. Second, create custom, create a lookalike audience. So we're going to use the Facebook pixels data to retarget the website visitors to remind them. And the second one is to create a lookalike audience. It means that the data, your website visitor, which is your potential customers, and we're going to inform Facebook, hey, Facebook, I want you to target same visitors data in this area, their activities, what they like, what product they want. So I want them to retarget. So this is the advantage of the Facebook pixels. Now, before we go to how to retarget or how to create custom lookalike audience, what I want you to understand is the concept of the Facebook pixels. So the concept of Facebook pixels is, let's assume right now that you already installed pixels to your website. Okay, so you already have this website, your website. Okay, and you installed pixel here. So already installed. Okay, so now there are people that visited your website. Let's say these two person or three person visited your website and they're looking for a flower. So, okay, this is a flower. Okay, okay. So they're looking for a flower to what? To buy. But unfortunately, they didn't buy your they didn't buy your flower, your product. They didn't buy. Okay. So now we're going to target them. That's what you call retarget to your Facebook ads. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. We're going to create an advertisement to target these people because these people probably they're using, they're using their Facebook on their mobile phone. Maybe after a day, after 2 days, or maybe right after they're using Facebook. Now we're going to show them this one, the flower. Okay, hey, buy me. Okay, retargeting all these people on Facebook. Okay, because there will be a big chance that your website visitors that didn't buy anything but already went to your website, they already scanned the website, they already looked into your website, they already put the flower in the in the checkout. However, for whatever reasons, they left the cart, they left your website and done. You don't have any connections. There's no other way to connect with them. However, since we have Facebook pixels, we have now the opportunity to retarget them. To retarget them because we give information to Facebook through the pixels that, hey, I have these three visitors. Okay. I want you to show my paid ads to these three people. Okay. I want you, these three people, see these ads and say, hey, the flower, right? So what happened now is the customer that left your cart reminds, okay, I need to buy this. I need to buy this flower because you keep them showing the ads. So the conversion now increases because you keep reminding them that hey, you already went to this website, you need to buy this flower, right? So that's how you're going to retarget this audience. The second purpose of Facebook Pixels is to duplicate these three people. So instead of three, we can say times two, we can that's what we call look-alike audience. Okay, so that's the basic concept of the Facebook pixel. So this is how I'm going to show you. I'm going to repeat again. I sorry for the presentation, but what I want you to understand: Facebook pixels and website connected by pixels. So that's it. There is a data that is back and forth with Facebook. So now since Facebook is updated on what is happening to your website, Facebook already know who visited your website, what they're doing. Now we can retarget those people to your Facebook account. And that's how it works with Facebook Pixel. And I'm going to show you how to target or retarget this one. I'm going to open my ad account. Just wait for a second. If you want to install your Facebook pixels but you don't have idea how to, I already created a video, a step-by-step guide. So click the link on the description below and watch the previous video that I created for you, a step-by-step guide how to create a Facebook pixels and connect these Facebook pixels to your website. Now, we're going to create a sample advertisement. So I already have a demo here. I'll just click the demo here. So demo. And now what I'm going to do is leads campaign. So don't worry about this one. I'm going to have a separate video for this one. But my purpose is to show you how to retarget customers using the Facebook pixel. So now let's retarget website visitor first. Since, as I mentioned to you, since Facebook have now proper communication with your website through the Facebook pixels, we're going to retarget them by doing this. Go to the Advantage Plus audience, click Create New, click Custom Audience, and click Website. It means that we're going to get all the data that Facebook able to collect using the Facebook pixels. Click Next, and it will ask you which Facebook pixels you want to retarget. For this demo, I will say social media expert. That's the website that I have for my coaching program. And I want to target all the website visitors. I want to target page view, leads, or submissions, so depending on the event that you specified. But for this demo, I'll say all all website visitors. I want to retarget them. I want to show my advertisement to my website visitors. So this what you're going to do: target all website visitor in the last 60 days, and I'll say social media experts website visitors last 60 days. Okay, and create audience. And then if you want to create a lookalike audience, you can simply click this one, and it will ask you 1%, how big the lookalike audience, and where do you want them to find. Do you want to find them in Canada? Do you want to find them in other countries? So you can specify the locations, but this is the accuracy. So if you select 1% lookalike consists of the people most similar to your lookalike audience source, increase the percentage creates bigger, broader audience. So the smaller, which is 1%, gives you more lookalike, more similar to your website visitor. But if you say 10%, the chances is a little bit broader, right? There's a chance that they are not similar to your website visitor. So the main thing with a lookalike audience, it will copy whatever your visitor is. Let's say, for example, your website visitor is male. They're fan of flowers. They're fan of pink flowers. They want Jordan shoes. So these are your activities. Now, what will happen with the lookalike audience? They will look for similar people, people that likes flowers, like Jordans, right? And they love Jordan shoes, for example. And now Facebook will look for similar audience. And that's how the look-alike audience works. So if you want this, just create audience, and that's how you're going to create a look-alike audience. Now, for this demo, what I did is I created a custom audience wherein I'm going to target website visitor in the last 60 days. I'm able to do this because of the Facebook pixels that we use. Okay. So now you can specify also the targeting detail, but if you're going to retarget your website visitors, you don't need to have detailed targeting because again, they already visited your website. Okay. You can also specify the locations of your website visitors. So if you are in Canada, you can say Canada, or if you want to target only people that visited your website in the Philippines, you can change the location here as well. So once you're done with this, just click Save Audience so that at the end of the day, you can use this audience for your next ad campaign. So that's how it works to target your audience or your website visitors using the Facebook pixels. So that's how I'm going to end my video. If you have more questions or clarifications, comment in the comment section. and I'll super happy to help you and clarify some things. And also on the next videos, so make sure to click subscribe. On the next videos, I'm going to show you a step-by-step process creating in Facebook ads to target some leads, to target some website visitors, to get your high-paying client. Everything that we're doing for our client in the last 8 years, we're doing social media for almost 8 years. We're helping business owners to grow their business using, paid ads, organic ads. So we do a lot of things. However, on this channel, we're going to share a lot of information based from our expertise. So if you want to learn more on running your marketing agency, you are on the right channel. So before we end this video, I want you to comment below if you have some clarifications, you have some questions, or maybe you have some additional inputs that you want to share with me. Please comment in the comment section. As I mentioned, social media expert is our community. Once again, it's me, KapJoey, the founder of Social Media Expert. See you in the next video.